All right, I wanted to show you how you can run these. So I know a lot of people do this and watch my stuff to learn how to get better at you know using AI mode. Sorry, I'm a little slow today. Using AI mode, and that's great. But I know most of you actually are also teachers, and so part of the attraction of this feed is to maybe teach this in a class. And I wanted to show you how you can do some of this uh, in a class with students with their phones. Now, I know if you're in a phone free high school, that may not be an option for you. But we also work with, we also work with college students. We also work with faculty. You also might be at a workshop, right, at a conference or something like that. And of course, remember, all of these things can be done on a laptop. It's just I want to show you how you can do them on a phone. And so let's take something like Aconaught and Alien here, right? And this is something where you're going to want the person who is, trying this exercise to have access to this picture. They can't just type in the text, right? So here is what you do. If you go here and you right click, right, you can actually go to this option here, create QR code for this page. It will pop up a QR code right there. And then you just have your have the people in your audience point their phones at the screen, whatever the projector is, and then what you'll see is that they will then have the example right on their phone, and from there they can use, in this example here, if we're on an Android phone, we can just long press there until that, and then we'll circle the search and go to AI mode, right? Or any other way, right? You can select the text. You can do whatever you do, and you'll see that the answers coming back here. So that's how you run this in a classroom. It doesn't have to be these constructed examples I have. It could be a real example. Any page on the web, you can go and create via right-clicking and going to QR code. You can create a QR code for that page and then get everybody there to do the activity that you want.